Boom, we got these LASFIT mats. As you can see, they're super durable. Let me pop my Frunk open and show you why you need some Frunk mats. The reason why I thought about these is because I just cleaned my Frunk. We recently finished up this Frunk retreat. We had leftover candy that was kind of melted in here. It did not look good. Also, if you use this a lot like I do, you're gonna scratch it up and scuff it up. I still have some dirt and debris inside of here. Also, what doesn't look very good is your tow hitch. Come here. Like, do you want to see this every time you need to open your Frunk? No. So that's what these are for. So a few things. First, they're waterproof. Oh, I was gonna lay on it to show it's soft. I should have probably done that before I spilt water on it. They're nice and soft. Okay, now we need a tree to show that they're environmentally friendly. In the background, they're environmentally friendly. They're super low maintenance, that's nice. If you do get it dirty, you can put water on it and then just wipe it off. You can see the water that I dropped on it after just slapping it around in the air. It's already clean. It's BPA free, so it's non-toxic material, and it's a custom fit. I can literally drop it in here and it's gonna fit incredibly snug. It's just that easy. It literally cups around the entire edges, so nothing is gonna fall underneath it. It's all weather, so it's not gonna get dirty, and it's non-slip, so whatever you put in here is gonna be fine, not shuffling around. I think we covered everything, right?
I think so.